usually you have to walk down to the boats. The river is so high, the boats are up at the stairs. This is the north part of the island of Ayutthaya. This is where the Pasak River, or the Lopburi River coming in from this area comes in. Look how high it is today. Wow. Wow, this is probably the highest I've ever seen the river, except for in 2011 during the flood. Anyway, this river meets here with another river coming from the north. The Pasak and the Lopburi meet right here. And this is where the river met and crashed into the island in 2011, right here at Queen Suryotais Jetty. And that was the mega flood of 2011. The biggest flood Thailand has ever seen. And this is where it started. And today the river looks really high. I just talked to some locals. They said no, they're not worried this time. But boy, does this river look high. In 2011, I stood here with many firemen on flood watch for 2 weeks, right about in this area, and watched the river just get higher and higher and higher. We're expecting more rain this afternoon. I noticed on the way here, there were many places that had small amounts of flooding, but nothing was like out of control. Hi guys. Okay, so this is where the Pasak River joins the Lopburi River, and they come in, and this is where we had the biggest problem last year, or in 2011 rather. Are here to assess the rising and the swiftness of the river. This is moving pretty fast, and it's so deep. Usually you have to walk downstairs to get to the river. It's Queen Suryotais Jetty and Wat Chai Watanaram way down the river. Used to be able to go to that temple by boat, but now you have to go by land because the river, the flooding of 2011 destroyed some of the temple entrance. Look at that. Wow.